Hey, Lawrence here from Gelatin Design. Welcome to my second devlog for my new game, Lovely Golf. Today I'll be talking about some course editor UI designs I've been working on for the past couple of weeks, and some first forays into the course editor itself and some of the issues I've been having there. So here is just some mock-ups I've been doing in Blender of the course as it might appear more realistically. And as well as this, I've also been working on building the UI design. So I've had a few ideas. I have some radial menu, a few circles on it, a couple more ideas, all looking a little bit rubbish. Went into a full weird radial one, trying to test out colours as well. Didn't turn out very well. And then I changed my mind and stopped using Photoshop. Went to a tool called Sketch, which allowed me to more easily lay out how I actually wanted it. So you see some ideas I was having about having the buttons on the radial menu where you could click on the inside of it to decrease and the outside to increase the number of that item. And I was working on some ideas for the extra buttons like the refresh button and the cancel button. And as well as that, then I went on further to build in the rest of the UI I was envisioning. So you can see there's be an indication that the user, or the player rather, can click outside the course to extend it and add a new point. They'll be able to zoom up to see an overview map so they can see it from the top down, and be able to undo or cancel any of their changes, generate a new set of trees, that sort of stuff, rename their course and change which hole they're editing. And I was thinking, if you make a change and you wanted to, instead of asking for permission, it would be saying, are you sure you want to do that? It would just give a little undo notification at the top, so you could click that button at the top and undo the change you made. So you can continue working in a smooth way, but then if you make a mistake you can still go back quite easily. So here's the initial course editor. It obviously looks nothing like it will do eventually. It's all just pink. As you see, I was clicking out to create new nodes in the course. It's got some very weird bugs at the moment where the course changes width randomly. It's supposed to be the same width the whole way, obviously, and then yeah, it doesn't work like that at all at the moment. But at least you can add lots of nodes. It looks kind of oddly weird, but we'll improve that in the future. So what's next? Well, over the next couple of weeks I'll be working on improving the course editor so it doesn't have that weird width bug, and I'll be putting in the textures and the proper materials for the actual fairway and the rough around it. And if there's time, I'll be working on implementing the UI into the actual game as well, so that we can then start adding in all the different props and the trees and the bushes and the bunkers and little bunny rabbits and so forth. Thanks for watching this quick update. The next one will be in 2 weeks' time. And in the meantime, feel free to subscribe or follow me on Twitter at Gelatin Design. As well as that, you can go to the Trello board where I have all the features I'm working on, and you can look at them, make comments, and vote on ones you think would be good to work on next. Thanks again.